Let's say you win $1 million lottery today. What will be the first thing you will buy after winning that kind of money? Quickly go in comment section and write down what will you buy after winning $1 million lottery. But if you win a huge amount of money, probably you will buy a house or a car or pay off your loan, give some to your parents, maybe your siblings. But this man from Ontario, after winning a lottery of $250,000 lottery, he said the first thing he will do is buy a bathroom for his wife. Now this is the perfect script for Toilet Ek Prem Katha Part 2. So in an interview, this man from Ontario who won $250,000 in lottery said the first thing he want to do is gift his wife her dream master bathroom. And then he will make any life decisions.
Oh my god, Turula!
You know why? Because he knows happy wife equal to happy life. First priority is wife's bathroom. And then he can make any other decision of the life. Now, if he's not the husband of the year, who is?
सही पकड़े हैं.
Now let's move on. Moving on is $70 million. There is a person in Brampton who won $70 million, but they never came out to collect the money.
कोई सेंसेस बात?
A person who won $70 million from Brampton, he or she never came forward to collect that money. So people start assuming that since the person is from Brampton, he or she might be from India. I think that's very stereotypical. Not every Indian or Punjabi lives in Brampton. So people start circulating a photo of an Indian female student who they think has won that $70 million lottery. So $70 million is a huge amount, and I think we should analyze the situation why she didn't came forward to collect that kind of money, or why she's not disclosing her identity. See, I came as an international student, so I think I should analyze this situation. She is an Indian female student, so the first reason could be that she is at her shift. कुड़ी बेचारी shift लगा रही है. Second reason could be she is studying. She is a student, so she is studying. And the third reason, which I think could be the big reason, is that she might be worried if she will go forward to collect $70 million. चाचे दा मुंडा iPhone 13 मंगवा लेगा. I think that could be the reason. I think so. I'm not sure, but I think so. But anyways, congratulations to her or his, whoever the person is. Congratulations to them for winning $70 million. And if he or she is student, I think that's a blessing that he or she won $70 million. The iPhone at the page dena fir. If I ever win a lottery, the first thing I will do is call my husband, my family, my parents, my sibling that I win a lottery, right? And mostly I think everybody will do that. But there is a guy in Ontario. After winning $700,000 lottery, the first person he called, the first person he messaged, any guesses? The first person he messaged was his boss.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बड़ी.
Yes. That's the kind of commitment you need to be successful in Canada. I'm just guessing he might be like, hey boss, I will be late today. You know, I won like a $700,000 lottery. To be honest, I want that kind of commitment with my work. That even after winning the lottery, I'm texting my boss, hey boss, I will be late today for work. I'm telling you, you should really look into the stories when people win lottery. They are amazing. They are amazing, amazing, amazing. But not everybody wants to share this big news with their boss. But some are normal and want to share the great news with their family. So there was an old man in Ontario. He won $50,000 and wanted to share this great news with his family. And guess what? Nobody answered the call. He told the news reporter, I wanted to share my news with someone. I called my son-in-law and finally got hold of my daughter. She came over right away and gave me a big hug. He joked. He's trying to tell clearly that before Her daughters were not picking the call. After, when they know that he won the lottery, they came right away and gave hug. And now we know that why Bhagwan was so popular and so hit in India. Not only in India, it's everywhere. Well, at least he wanted to share it with his family. He wanted to tell this good news to his family. So there was a guy. This news is not from Canada. It's from somewhere else. But I just wanted to. So there was a guy, and he won a prize of $1.5 million, and he wore a scream mask, and then he went and collect his money. I'm telling you, he's the international student. मैं क्या ना चाचे दा मुंडा पक्का iPhone मंगेगा. He don't want to disclose his identity because it's a big number and he don't want to tell his friends and family. Anyways, every joke apart and every humor apart, I really want to tell and convey through this video that if you are coming as an international student or you are an immigrant or anybody who is watching this video right now, firstly thank you for watching this video. You are crazy like me. But also I want to tell कि कई बारी होता है कि international student, they come here to Canada, they do hard work and everything, and with most of their hard-earned money they go and buy these lottery tickets because they think that someday they will win prize. And if you are buying the lottery, I will pray that you win that lottery. But to be very honest, don't spend your all hard-earned money in buying the lottery. It's a gambling, it's a game, but don't spend a lot on these lottery tickets. And I will also advise कि एक आधी बारी तो ठीक है, but don't make it a regular affair. Rather invest that money in some other place where you know that you will get some result, some benefit, and where it's not like it will depend upon your luck that you will win or not. But it's my suggestion. I hope you like this video. If you like, please do share, subscribe, and hit that like button. That will mean a lot to me. I really want to make the videos which are entertaining and also want to give you my suggestions so that you don't fall into all these things, because lately I have been seeing that many international students are buying so many lottery tickets just in hope that they will win someday. And I will see you in my another video. Till then, take care and bye bye.